First, this is sine magnitude. This is one's magnitude, one's complement representation. And third one is sine to complement representation. We will take some values. This is 0 plus 0 minus 0. This is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. And the value is the binary equivalent value. This is 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. In sine magnitude, plus is nothing but 0 as sine bit. For minus, the sine bit is 0 1 1. Here it's minus 0 plus 0, which is plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. This is 0 0 0 this is 0 minus 0 is nothing but complement of this is 1 1 0 minus 2 is complement of plus 2 1 0 1, which is 0. For plus 3 all are, for minus 3 the all values are zeros. Here for plus means not, here this is 0, that means here this is 1. Similarly for this 2's complement also, 0 plus minus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 0 means 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is the binary value. For this is for plus 0 0. For positive the sign bit is 0. For minus 0, for 2's complement representation of minus 0 is nothing but 2's complement of plus 0. The 2's complement of plus 0 is 0. 2's complement representation of minus 1 is nothing but 2's complement of plus 1. 1, all are ones. Minus 2, 2's complement is nothing but 0, 1, 1. This is minus 3, 1, 0, 1. This is for 2's complement representation. Here in sine magnitude we have seen the range. For n bit the range is minus of 2 power n minus 1 minus 1 to 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. Between minus 2 plus, this is the range. Here also the same, because we didn't change nothing here, because 0 has two representations. Here also the range is for n bit, range is minus 2 power n minus 1 minus 1 to plus 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. Here in 2's complement representation, the range is, here for 0 we have two values which are same values, but here we have two different values, so we got this range as this. Here plus 0 and minus 0 are same, so we will get the value 1 less. That means here the range is minus 2 power n minus 1 2 plus 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. This is the range for 2's complement representation. Here why we remove this one means, here for minus 0 is nothing but plus 0. So here we got one value as less. This is the range. This is all about the sign binary representations. Let us. There is also other disadvantages with the sign and magnitude and one's complement. This is overcome with 2's complement representation. Take an example of 1011. See, for plus 3 and minus 3. Plus 3 means in sign magnitude representation, plus 3 equal to the value of 3 in binary is 1 1, plus means 0. Sign bit for minus 3, this is in base 10. The value is 1 1 and this is 1. Here in sign magnitude, if you want to extend this sign bits, we can't do, because for plus 3, if you want to add extend the sign, if we add 2 more digits, here the last bit represents the sign bit, which means the value here is same, but in minus 3 to the base 10, extend another 2 bits. These are the extended bits. The last bit only represents the sign bit. The remaining value here is, here is 8 4 2 1 12. Here the value is 15, but here that which is minus 15, but here the value is minus 3. We are not getting the value. So in sign magnitude representation, sign extension is not possible. We will see for one's complement representation. For plus 3, the one's complement representation is 0 1 1. This is sign bit. For minus 3 plus 10, 2's complement represented, one's complement representation is one's complement of plus to the base 10, 0 0 1. For plus 3 to the base 10, if you want to extend the number of bits, the bit which are in the MSB is the sign bit. I want in terms of 5-bit representation, so I add 2 bits. These are the extended bits, this is sign bit. This value is same for positive number, but for minus 3 to the base 10, just if you do the complement of this, we'll get the value of minus 3 to the base 10 now. So the complement of this is 1 0 0 1 1 1. Here the value which is not getting it here. This is 1 1 1 0 0. This is generally the sign bit. For sign extension, in terms of 5 bits, Here there are only 2 bits. For remaining 2 bits, I will add the same sign bits. 1, 1. These two are the added bits. Here I am getting the two are same representations. This is -3 and this also the same. That means in 1's complement also sign extension is possible. In sign magnitude representation, the sign extension is not possible. Now we will see the 2's complement representation. For +3 to the base 10, the value is 0, 1, 1. For -3 to the base 10, 2's complement representation is, this is 1, 0, 1. For +3, I want to extend the +3, I want in terms of 5-bit representation. Here there are 2 bits, so remaining 2 bits I will add the sign bits. This is sign, this is 0, 0. These are the added bits. For -3, this is 1, 1. This is 1, 0, 1. These two are the extended bits. Now we will check whether the extension is correct or wrong. The sign extension for 5 bits is equal to the 2's complement of this number. The 2's complement of this number is 1, 0. Here we are getting the two as same numbers. So here the sign extension is possible. Finally, we will see what are the drawbacks and advantages. First, we will see the sign magnitude representation. Here, 0 has 2 values. Also, sign extension is not possible. Here this is 1's complement representation. This is 2's complement representation. Here 0 has 2 values. This is the drawback. Here these two are drawbacks. Here there is also the drawback which is similar to that of in sign magnitude. But here this drawback is overcome in 1's complement representation, which means sign extension is possible. Here 0 has only 1 value. Also, here the sign extension is possible. Here this drawback is also overcome in 2's complement. Sign extension is possible. This is all about the sign binary representations. We will continue it in next class.